Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, today I'm gonna do something real quick here. You know, I did a video previously where I did some spaghetti and meatballs, and I had a lot of meatballs left over, so I started to do a meatball sub here. So all I got right here is just a normal French bread, and I'm gonna dig some in the middle out where I put my meatballs in. So I'm gonna dig some of the bread out. Take some of that out of there, make a cavity here, so when I do my meatballs, they got somewhere to go. I'm gonna dig some out of this one too, both tops, so when it fold over, you got a nice sandwich. Okay, now I'm gonna take some garlic butter here and brush in it. You can use any kind of butter. I like garlic butter. Some in there. All this is melted butter and garlic. That's all it is. It's nothing extravagant, right? Get all that butter in there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm gonna toast this off. Get a little toast on it. Get rid of this. You make bread pudding with it if you want to. And I got my meatballs here simmering, heating up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step away here and let the bread get toasted. I'm gonna come back. This is a very simple recipe, and I got the recipe for the meatballs in the description of the video. And like I say, this is a simple sandwich to put together. And like I say, when I make meatballs, I make a whole lot of them. So this is a way I can use them up in different areas, in different ways. So we'll be right back when the bread gets toasted, and we'll go to the next step. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, I'm getting my bread out of the oven. I don't want it completely toasted. I just want it brown. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. Okay, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some provolone on the bottom. Now, I'm going to take my meatballs. Y'all, just crazy how simple this is, y'all. Put my meatballs right inside the cheese there. I usually do this when I do parties. I do a huge one though. And just slice it and just lay it out and people get it as they want it. Okay. Put some sauce on top of the balls there. Okay. Now, put provolone on top of that. Provolone on top of that. Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven, just enough to melt the cheese. Take what, 5 minutes or so, just enough to melt the cheese. And we'll be right back. See how easy that is? All right, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes. That's all it takes to melt this cheese. And that's what you want right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip this over here. Ooh, that's hot. I'm gonna slide this right off on the cutting board. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna let that sit there just for a second. Then we're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna have a meatball sub. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Let's slice this up here. Cut it in half first. A nice bread knife. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna cut it in like 3 pieces here. Put it on the platter. You can't go wrong with this, y'all. Wow. Look at that. I ain't gonna even cut the other one. I'm gonna leave the other one like this. I'm gonna cut the other one up. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit there. It's too hot right now to eat. I'll be right back, y'all. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.